Yes, let's have some more fun together. Let's have some more fun together. Yes. So let's put in the chat whoever has joined in. I would love to see the active children out over here. Yes. Let's put in the chat whoever is present so that I know who's there and we can quickly begin without much of a delay. So children, I'm waiting. We all know that these Sunday classes are not only fun, they also give us a lot of learning and practice when we participate in these classes. So I would like to see a lot of activeness today, a lot of energy and enthusiasm. So are we ready, children? Come on, come on, come on, quickly. Let's put in the chat a thumbs up to show me that you all are present and ready for the fun-filled class that we are going to have today. The fun-filled quiz that we are going to have now. I'll be just waiting for another 1 minute and then we shall begin. So let's see who are those enthusiastic children today who would love to participate and enjoy these quiz that we always have every Sunday. All right, so it's time to begin. Yes, children, you all can also invite your friends, your classmates, and other students to join in gradually and let them also have some fun with us. So, yes, time to begin. Okay, so our topic for today, as we already know, is time. Something that is very valuable, something that is very important in our lives. Okay, we cannot afford to waste time and we cannot run ahead of time nor lag behind. We have to be at par with time. So it's already it's definitely good to know the time concept very well. Okay, but before we begin with our topic, time to congratulate the star student of the week and let's see who it is. Oh, so it's Adam once again who has been consistent in his participation, in his dedication, and which is time and again making him the star student of the week because he has been attending his sessions regularly, doing his homework assignments regularly, and practicing regularly and thoroughly, which is definitely making him best at his work. So, congratulations, Adam. Once again, children, y'all can also be the star student of the week if y'all show your dedication towards learning. So, yes, I'm sure we will have someone from y'all the next week to see the star student of the week over here, as the star student of the week over here. Okay? All right. Yes, Annu Kumari, good morning. Can you just, I'm not sure whether your name is Annu Kumari. If whatever is your name, you can type it in the chat so that I can call you with that name. And thank you for joining in. Okay. So, congratulations, Adam. Keep up the good job. Okay. So, let's see what tricky riddle do I have for you today. And yes, so you have to unbox me. And the question is, what has keys and cannot open a single door? Yes, Lavanya. Okay, I recollect now. Thank you so much. So, yes, Lavanya, the question says, what has keys and cannot open a single door? Come on, rack your brain and let's find out what has keys but cannot open a single door. That key cannot open a single door. So, what's the point of having those keys? But yes, this is just a riddle. You can definitely you ask this riddle to your friends and you can find out who is smart enough to answer this. What has keys and cannot open a single door? So, what are your guesses, Lavanya? Okay, all right, let's see. Yes, it's a bit tricky, but the correct answer is a keyboard or a piano. These things have keys, right? But we cannot use those keys to open any door. It's not possible. Yes. So the keyboard of a computer or your laptop or a piano, all of these have the keys, but we cannot use those keys to open a single door. We cannot open any door with those keys. Wasn't it fun? Yes, I do enjoy doing this riddle. Okay, wonderful. So you all can also have fun asking this question to your elders or to your friends, anyone, and make them also rack their brain and find out how smart they are. Okay, but you will definitely be proud to show them how smart you are. Okay, no worries. So coming to just see what are the voices of our learners who have time and on been joining these live streamings every Sunday, almost every Sunday, and the way they've participated so enthusiastically and eagerly replying to questions, the answers to for trying to find the answers to the quiz that we have over here, right? So yes, with the same energy, and yes, Lavanya has also been participating quite regularly in these live streaming. So good job, Lavanya. Keep that up and keep participating time and again. All right. Okay. So now let us learn today a little bit about time. A quick revision about time that we have. Okay. So as we know, our topic today is time, right? Okay. So what do we know about time? Yes, Abhishek Kumar, good morning. Please type your name as well so that it helps me recollect what's your name. So, welcome to today's class. Okay, so my question was, what do you know about time? What is time? Time is definitely it's about the time of the day of the week, or the year that we are into. Yes, we are almost at the end of this year 2024. We are going to get into 2025 very soon. Yes. So time is all about that shows us what's the time in the clock, what's the day of the week, and what's the month of the year or which year it is. Yes, Arohi. Okay. So now, can you all help me with the objects that help us identify the time? Lavanya and Arohi. Yes, can you all help me and type and tell me what are the objects that help us know the time? Yes, so we have clocks that show us time. We have calendars that let us know what is the date today, what is the day, which week, which month, which year. So these are the objects that helps us identify the time. Okay, what are the different units of time? Who can tell me? What are the different units of time? In what units do we measure time? Yes, Arohi. Clock, yes, helps us find out the time of the day. So when we say units, okay, in what, how do we measure time? Okay, so we measure time in hours, we measure time in minutes, we measure time in seconds, right? Also, when we look at the calendar, we can, yes, very good, Lavanya. Thank you for, sorry, very good, Arohi. Thank you for responding. So we can know with the help of the calendar, we know which day it is, which week it is, which month it is, and which year it is. Right? So these are the different units of time. Okay, now who can tell me 1 hour equals to how many minutes? 1 hour equals to how many minutes? Very easy. Come on, we have already learned this. 1 hour equals to how many minutes? Yes, very good, Arohi. It is definitely 60 minutes. So similarly, 1 minute equals to how many seconds? 1 minute equals to how many seconds? 1 minute, yes, very good. It is equal to 60 seconds. So who is Raghuvendra Shetty? Very good for answering this. You can just type in your name, dear, so that I can address you with your name. Okay, 1 minute equals to 60 minutes, 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. Now, of course, we all know 1 week has how many days? 1 week has how many days? There are 7 days in a week, of course, and then 1 month has how many days? It could be 30, it could be 31, or it could be 28 and 20 or 29 if it's February, right? So there are so many days in a month, and 1 year equals to 12 months, right? So this was a quick revision of the concept of time. Yes, Arohi, thank you. Okay, so let's start with the very first question for today. Since, okay, so the very first question reads like this. I hope we all are ready. Yes, 365 days. Correct, correct, Arohi. In a year, you can say 365 days or 12 months also. Very good. Okay, so now let's quickly start with the very first question, and I'm going to be eagerly waiting for your answers to come in quickly. The first session of a cricket match began at 8:15 a.m. It lasted for 3 hours and 30 minutes. Okay, so this is the time, 8:15, that the clock is showing. Now, here, the match started at 8:15. It went on for 3 hours and 30 minutes. So when did the first session of the match get over? When did it end? Did it end at 8:45 a.m., 10:45 a.m., 12:45 p.m., or 11:45 a.m.? Come on, let's find out and quickly tell me in the chat what time will it end? If it takes 3 hours 30 minutes. Oh my God, Arya, that was quick answer, but we'll have to find out whether your answer is right or not. Okay, even ROE has given the option D as an answer. Okay, let's find out. So if we talk about 8:15 a.m., okay, it was 8:15. Now I'm adding 3 hours and 30 minutes to it. So this gives me 45 minutes and 8 plus 3, 11 hours, right? So this means the time was 11:45. But was it AM or PM? It has to be AM only, right? Because the session started in the morning 8:15 and it ended 3 hours 30 minutes. 11:45 a.m. It has not reached 12, that is 12 noon. So my answer is 11:45 a.m. only. Okay? Yes, absolutely. Good job done by Arohi and Arya for giving the correct answer. Wonderful, wonderful. That's what I love about my children. Okay, so let's move on to the second question. If tomorrow is Monday, what day was yesterday? If tomorrow is Monday, what day was yesterday? Very easy. Just think about it carefully. You will get the answer quickly. Tomorrow is Monday. So, yesterday, what was it? Come on, come on, come on. Quickly type the answer. If tomorrow is Monday, what day was yesterday? Okay. All right. We've got the answer from Arohi, who says option B. So, if tomorrow is Monday, that means today would be Sunday. And of course, then yesterday would be Saturday. Yes, so option B is absolutely correct. Very good, Arohi, for giving the correct answer over here. Yes, and Arya, very good. Both of you. Good job. So, yes, Saturday is the correct answer. To, if tomorrow is Monday, yesterday it was Saturday. Very good. Keep up the good job. Coming to my next question, which says, how many hours are there between 7 p.m. on Monday and 10 a.m. on Tuesday? So you have to count the number of hours in between these two timings, 7 p.m. today and 10 a.m. tomorrow. That is, I mean, let's say today is Monday, assuming that today is Monday. So 7 p.m. from Monday to 10 a.m. on Tuesday. How many hours do we get in between that? How many hours do we get in between that? Gradually, slowly calculate and let me know how many hours do we have from 7 p.m. to 10 a.m. in the morning. Okay, Arya has given me the option B. Okay, Arya says 13 hours. Okay, so let's start counting. So from Monday 7 p.m. to Tuesday 7 a.m. Okay, that equals to 12 hours, right? Because it's covering half of the day, not 24 hours, but 12 hours. Then 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. Okay, because I have to see the time up till 10 a.m. equals to 3 hours. So this gives me total 15 hours, Arya. So my correct option is option D, 15 hours, not B. Yeah, okay, now it's okay. You change it. Yes. Option D is the correct answer. Very good, Arya. Keep up the good job. You changed your answer on time. So, yes, option D is the correct answer. 12 plus 3 hours, that is 15 hours in between 7 p.m. on Monday to 10 a.m. on Tuesday. Wonderful. Good attempt. So, time to move on to the next question. Okay. So, a presentation lasts for 1 week, 3 days, starting from Saturday. What is the last day of the presentation? 1 week, 3 days, starting from Saturday. A presentation lasts for 1 week, 3 days. So, what do you think? When will be the last day of the presentation if I start on Saturday? And what will be the day, 1 week, 3 days after that Saturday? I mean, starting from that Saturday. When was the last day of the presentation? Okay, be careful as you'll answer the question. Arohi has given the answer option D. Arya also says option D, that is Tuesday. Okay, any more answers to come in? Okay, let's say I started on Saturday. Okay, so Saturday onwards 1 week, that is 7 days. So Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. That becomes 1 week. Okay, Friday. Now Friday plus 3 more days. So Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So Monday was my last day of presentation, children, not Tuesday. We are confused. We cannot count it from Saturday to Saturday as 1 week. 1 week has only 7 days. So from Saturday to Friday, it will be 1 week, right? And after Friday, 3 more days. So Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So Monday is the last day of the presentation. Okay, option A is the correct answer. Yes, a slight bit of an error. Hi, Sri Harini. Good morning. A slight bit of error over there. So please be careful as you'll calculate. And the correct answer is Monday. Okay. All right. Wonderful. Okay. Now I can see a lot of children joining in. Nandini Kapoor, Anvita Pathak, Arya, Lavanya, and Arohi are already there. Sri Harini has joined in. Okay. It's Nandini Kapoor, Sri Harini only. Okay. Sri Harini and Anvita Pathak. Okay. All right. So welcome to me and math classes today. And you're already a bit late. So quickly, let's jump in and start solving the questions that we have in the quiz. Okay. All right. So here comes my next question. And I hope my children are ready. Yes. So Priya's mother started walking from her house and reached office at the time shown in the clock. So she started at this time. She reached office at this time. How long did she take to reach the office? Easy peasy. So let's quickly find out. She started at 8 o'clock. She reached office at 9:45. So how much time did she take to reach her office? Not too difficult, not too tricky. So let's find out what is the answer to this question. Okay. All right. So yes, let's start calculating. Okay, I've got an answer from Arya who says option B. Shri Harini also says option B. Okay, let's find out. So her mother starts, Priya's mother starts walking at 8 o'clock, right? And she stops at 9:45. Okay. So if we calculate from 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock, it is 1 hour plus the additional 45 minutes that we have. So that equals to 1 hour 45 minutes. So yes, my children have given a complete correct answer. Very good. Option B is definitely the correct answer to this. 1 hour 45 minutes. Okay, wonderful. Yes. Now my children are bugging up and giving the finding out the correct answer. Lavanya, you are saying 2 hour 45 minutes, dear, but our mother reached at 9:45. So it's only 1 hour 45 minutes and not 2 hour 45 minutes. Okay. All right. Good job, but good try, Lavanya. Yes. Just try to understand the question a little better. Okay. Coming to my next one that I have over here, which reads as Taran was online for 2 hours and 30 minutes. He was offline at 2 a.m. At what time did he come online? Okay. Taran ऑनलाइन था 2 hours 30 minutes के लिए वो ऑनलाइन था using any site or any social media platform whatever. Okay, so 2 घंटा 30 मिनट के लिए वो ऑनलाइन था. पहले वो ऑफलाइन था 2 a.m. को. So at what time did he come online? 2 a.m. को वो ऑफलाइन चला गया. Okay, तो कितने टाइम कितने बजे वो ऑनलाइन आया? ओके, 2 a.m. रात के 2 a.m. को वो ऑफलाइन गया. वो अपना उसने बंद कर दिया सर्फिंग थ्रू द इंटरनेट और वट एवर सोशल मीडिया. अगर 2 बजे उसने बंद किया तो उसके 2 घंटे 30 मिनट पहले वो ऑनलाइन आया था. तो कितने बजे ऑनलाइन आया था? व्हाट टाइम डिड ही कम ऑनलाइन इफ एट 2 a.m. he went offline and 2 or 30 minutes he was there on social media? Okay, I've already got an answer from Arya. She says option A. Okay. Sri Harini says option C. Okay, interesting. We are getting different answers. Okay, children, just giving you all a hint. Also observe the time period, like the AM and PM in the question. Okay, I've already given you all a hint, so work on it. Okay, Arya says again option C. Sri Harini says option C. Anvita says option C. Lavanya says A. Hmm. Okay, Arohi also says C. Uh-uh. Okay, so let's find out. Okay, now let's suppose this is my clock. Please don't mind my drawing. Okay, so they said that he went offline at 2 a.m. 2 a.m. means at night, right? I also mentioned when I was telling you all the question. At night, रात के 2 बजे वो ऑफलाइन गया. मतलब उसके पहले 2 घंटे 30 मिनट्स पहले वो ऑनलाइन आया था. So let's go back 2 hours before. So from here, I move on backwards 1 hour. That gets me to 1 a.m. Again, I move backwards 2 hours. So that gets me to 12 a.m. Okay. And but before that also, still 30 minutes. So that gets me to 11:30 p.m. So my correct answer is option D, that is 11:30 p.m. because we are talking about 2 a.m. At night, 2 o'clock he went offline, not in the afternoon. So my answer will be 11:30 p.m. he came online. So if you again calculate forwards, 11:30 plus 2 and 2 hours 30 minutes, so 11:30 plus 30, 12, and 12 plus 2, 2 hours, we get 2 a.m. Right? So option D is the correct answer, but no worries. Yes, my children did try to get the correct answer. Only there was a bit error over here. There was a confusion with this. So be very careful. AM and PM also matters a lot over here. Okay, children? So be very careful. All right, no worries. Let's move on to the next question. That is question number 7. Okay. So here this question reads as a football game lasted 90 minutes. It started at 8:30 p.m. and there was a 5-minute interval in between. At what time did the game finish? 8:30 it started. 8:30 को 8:30 p.m. को गेम शुरू हुई. 90 मिनट्स की गेम थी. उसमें 5 मिनट का ब्रेक था. So what time did the game finish? कितने बजे गेम खत्म हुई? Okay, so I'm waiting for you all to please type the answer in the chat quickly. 8:30 से लेके 90 minutes, also considering 5-minute interval in between. What time did the game get over? What time did the game finish? Okay. Arohi says, okay, I'm not sure whether this, okay, option A is given by Arya and Sri Harini. Arya and Sri Harini say option A, that is 10:05. Okay, let's find out. So 8:30, okay, p.m., right? The game lasted for 90 minutes and 5-minute break was there. So total, we have to add 95 minutes. Okay, so let's start adding. So out of 95 minutes, I will add 30 first, 30 minutes. So that comes to 9 o'clock, 9 p.m. Okay. So then the remaining 65 minutes. Okay. So plus 65 minutes, I get 10:05 p.m. Yes. So the correct option is option A. Very good job done by Arya, who gave the answer, correct answer first, and Sri Harini, who also gave the correct answer. So congratulations to both of you. Yes, the correct answer is 10:05 p.m. So if from 8:30 p.m. if you count, 90 minutes means 1 hour 30 minutes plus 5 minutes we have to add of the interval. So 8:30 to 9:30, 9:30 to 10, and 10 plus 5. Again, 10:05 is the correct answer. Okay, yes, good job, Arohi. So 10:05 p.m. is the correct answer over here when the game ended. Good job. Okay, wonderful, wonderful. Now I can see that energy coming in and the enthusiasm coming in gradually. Okay, so yes, let's move on to our next question, which reads like this. Neha spent her holidays of 6 weeks, 2 days in Kerala. Okay, total she spent 6 weeks, 2 days in Kerala. In Kerala, Jaipur and Goa. Sorry, all together. She went to 3 places. She visited 3 places: Kerala, Jaipur, Goa, where she spent 6 weeks, 2 days. जहाँ पे वो 6 हफ्ते 2 दिन तक रही. Okay, तीनों जगहों में मिला के. Now, केरला में वो 1 week 3 days के लिए रही. जयपुर में वो 2 weeks 6 days के लिए रही. So how much time did she spend in Goa? Total time था 6 weeks 2 days. उसमें से 1 week 3 days वो केरला गई, 2 weeks 6 days वो जयपुर में रही. So बाकी कितने दिन थे जिसमें वो गोवा रही? That you have to find out. Okay. So quickly, let's see who's giving me the correct answer. Total time she spent on her holiday was 6 weeks, 2 days. Oh my God. Arya has already given the answer as option D. Okay, let's see. Okay. Okay. Sri Harini, yes, your dad is going for 2 weeks. Where? Okay. All right. Okay, let's find out. So I've already got the option D from Arya, and Arohi also says option D. So let's find out. So out of 6 weeks, 2 days, she spent 1 week, 3 days in Kerala and 2 weeks, 6 days in Jaipur. So first, let's add how much time did she spend in Kerala and Jaipur. So 1 week, 3 days, okay, and 2 weeks, 6 days. So that gives me 3 weeks, 9 days she spent in Kerala and Jaipur. Okay, so these 9 days I can still convert it into week. So this makes 1 week, 2 days. Okay, so total she spent 3 weeks plus this, 4 weeks, 2 days in Kerala and Jaipur. Okay, so now total time was how much? 6 weeks. 6 weeks, 2 days. So out of which she spent 4 weeks, 2 days in Kerala and Jaipur. So I can subtract this and I do get 0 days. 6 minus 4 weeks, that means 2 weeks. Okay, so total 2 weeks she spent in Goa. Okay, y'all have given me the option D. Let's see. 2 weeks we found out. So 2 weeks is option A. Now option D says both A and B. So when I say 2 weeks, it can also be equal to 14 days, which is absolutely correct. So yes, option D is my correct answer. So 2 weeks, you can say either you can say 2 weeks or you can say 14 days because 2 weeks equals to 14 days, right? Very good. Okay, so wonderful job done by Arya, who always is uh, giving the correct answer first. And Sri Harini, it's not 1 week, 5 days, it's 2 weeks together. Okay. So, yes, option D is the correct answer because 2 weeks can also be equal to 14 days. So, both A and B are the correct answer. Okay. All right. Wonderful. No problem. We can still have, we have still a few more questions to go. So, we can still do wonderfully. Now, the ninth question, which says, where will the minute hand point after 1 hour 45 minutes? So now the time is like this. Okay, it's 8:15. After 1 hour 45 minutes, where will the minute hand point? Okay, 1 घंटा 45 मिनट्स के बाद ये जो मिनट हैंड है हमारा ये कहाँ पे आ जाएगा, कहाँ पे प्लेस होगा? Okay, on which number? So that is what you have to tell me now. This is very easy. So come on, children, quickly tell me. After 1 hour 45 minutes, वो कहाँ पे आएगा? Minute hand कहाँ पे आएगा? Option D. Okay, that was once again very quick from Arya. Good job, Arya. And yes, if you see, I rotate this hand, minutes hand, 1 hour, okay? And then again, furthermore, 45 minutes. So my minutes hand is going to be on option D, that is 12. Now it is 8:15. So after 1 hour, 45 minutes, it is going to come on 12. It is going to be on 12. So very good job, Arya, once again. Absolute correct answer and quick answer. Very good. So option D is the correct answer because my clock will move on. The minute hand will come to 3 first after 1 hour, and then considering 45 minutes, the rotation, it will come on to 12. Okay, I hope it's clear, children. Yes. Okay. Coming to my next question. Sheila reached the library at 12:05. The bus ride to the library lasted 45 minutes. At what time did she board the bus? Okay, she reached the library at 12:05. We don't know whether it was AM or PM. The bus ride to the library. Okay, लाइब्रेरी जाने के लिए जो बस राइड उसने ली वो 45 मिनट्स की थी. टोटल 45 मिनट्स की राइड थी. So what time did she board the bus? She reached at 12:05. उसके पहले उसने 45 मिनट्स का राइड लिया. तो 45 मिनट्स पहले उसने बोर्ड बस को बोर्ड किया होगा. बस में वो चढ़ी होगी. ओके, तो कितने बजे उसने बस में बोर्ड किया? व्हाट टाइम, कितने बजे वो बस में चढ़ी? दैट इज व्हाट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट एंड टेल मी. ओके, गुड जॉब Arohi and Anvita. Yes, but Arya gave the first. Arya was the first one to answer the previous question. But he has time to. Okay, before I can say anything, Arya is always ready with her answer and she puts down her option. Okay, let's wait for the others and then I will reveal whether Arya's answer is right or not. So once again, let me draw the clock so that it becomes easier to understand. Okay, so now uh, it says that she reached at 12:05, right? So this is how am I going to represent 12:05? Okay. And she started the journey 45 minutes before because it took her to ride the bus 45 minutes. So before 45 minutes, she boarded the bus. So let's start counting. So here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So that means she boarded the bus over here. Now, since if I'm going backwards, my hour hand will also move backwards, right? So she boarded the bus at 11:20. But now here I have two options, 11:20 a.m. and 11:20 p.m. Okay, y'all have given me the answer as A. Do y'all think it's right? It was 11:20 a.m. Yes, absolutely. It's going to be AM. The correct answer is option A because I'm going to go to the library or I'm going to take the bus ride during the daytime. I cannot, the library is not going to be open for me at night at night 12 o'clock. It's going to be open for me in the afternoon 12 o'clock only, right? So, yes, absolutely correct. Once again, Arya. Oh, I'm so sorry, Arya. I assumed that you were a girl. Sorry, sorry, sorry. My bad. So, Arya, yes, once again, you have done a wonderful job. You answered correctly. You were the first one to give the correct answer. That is option A. So, 11:20 a.m. is the correct answer. So, good job, Arya. Good job. Very good. And the others also, Sri, Harini, Anvita, Arohi. Oh, we also have a new participant over here, Kankar Bag. Okay. So all of you all gave the option A, which is correct answer, but Arya was the first one to answer. He gave the correct answer first. So congratulations, Arya, for keeping up the pace and yes, giving correct answers quickly. So time to move on to my next question. That is question number 11, which reads like this. Okay. Shonali started playing the piano at 14:45. Now be careful. This is a 24-hour clock that they have put in over here. She started playing the piano at 14:45. She played for 45 minutes before starting her homework. Okay. Start time 14:45. She played piano for 45 minutes. After that, she sat for to do her homework. If Shonali finished her homework at 5:30 p.m., how long did she take to finish her homework? Come on, let's find out. She started at 2:45. Oops, I gave you the hint already. 14:45 means 2:45. Okay? 2:45 p.m. Because it is 24-hour clocks. If I'm saying 14, it means p.m. So 2:45, she starts playing the piano. She plays for 45 minutes. And then she sits to do her homework, which she completes at 5:30 p.m. How long did she do the homework? Okay, once again, Arya has given his answer, option A, and then I have an answer from Rohi and Kankar Bagh. Okay, all of you all are saying option A. So let's find out whether option A is correct or not. So 2:45, okay, she started playing the piano. She played it for 45 minutes, right? So 2:45, from 2:45, if I add 45 minutes, I get, she plays the piano up till 3:30 p.m. Okay. Now, so 3:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. she is doing her homework. So now it's easy to find out. Yes, she took 2 hours to complete her homework. 3:30 p.m. to 5:30 is 2 hours, and absolutely correct answer given by Arya once again. Good job, Arya. You are really quick in answering with the correct answer. But yes, we also have Arohi, Kankarbag, Anvita, and Sriharini who are giving the correct answers. So keep up the good job, but also keep up the pace with Arya, all of you. Because yes, up till now, Arya is the one who has been giving correct answers till now. I mean, first one to give the correct answer. Okay, so let's see. Come on, children. Others also can buck up and try to answer faster so that even you get an opportunity to be the first one to answer correctly. Okay. All right. No worries. Let's move on to my next question that goes like this, which says a train leaves Delhi at 11 a.m. and reaches Ambala at 2:20 p.m. How long is the journey? Oh my God. Now, once again, this is very simple. ट्रेन एक ट्रेन जो दिल्ली से 11 बजे निकलती है सुबह और अंबाला पहुंचती है 2:20 को दोपहर में तो कितना टाइम लगा उसको ये जर्नी कवर करने में 11 से लेके 2:20 तक 2:20 तक कितना टाइम होता है easy to calculate come on others also please buck up let's see if anybody can beat Arya oh my god once again Arya has given the answer first but we are not sure whether it's right or not. So I'm waiting for the others also to respond. Okay, Kankar Bag also says A. We'll find out in a few seconds. Sriharini also says A. Okay, so let's find out whether A is the correct option or not. So it's 11 a.m. and we have to go up to 2:20. So 11 a.m. to 12 is 1 hour, right? Then 12 to 2 p.m. is 2 hours. And then 2 to 20 is 20 minutes, right? So if you add them all, 2 plus 1, 3 hours and 20 minutes. So yes, option A is absolutely correct. Once again, Arya, you did a fab job and you responded so quickly with the correct answer. But yes, others also gave the correct answer. Shri Harini, Kankar Bagh, and Anvita, as well as Arohi. All of you all have given the correct answer. So it is 3 hours, 20 minutes that it took to reach the train from Delhi to Ambala. Wonderful, wonderful. I am loving the energy over here. Okay, let's come to the next question that goes like this. Sonika went to her friend's house at 1:15 p.m. Her father told her to be back home in 1 hour 45 minutes. What time does Sonika need to be at home? Okay, she went at 1:15. एक 1:15 को वो अपने फ्रेंड के घर गई. उसके पापा ने बोला कि 1 घंटा 45 मिनट्स में तुम्हें वापस आना है. तो कितने बजे सोनिका को घर आना होगा? अगर उसके पापा ने 1 घंटा 45 मिनट्स का टाइम दिया है और वो 1:15 को निकली है, तो कितने बजे वो वापस घर आएगी? वाओ, आर्या, वंस अगेन, वंडरफुल. But we are not yet sure whether Arya's answer is right or not. I'm waiting for the others also to respond quickly. Okay, Shri Harini Kankarbag also say option D. So let's calculate. So 1:15. So let's take it step by step. 1:15 to 2 p.m. is equal to 45 minutes. And 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. is 1 hour, right? So total 1 hour 45 minutes I have got. So when does my 1 hour 45 minutes get covered? At 3 p.m. So she has to be home by 3 p.m. Very good, Arohi. Oh my God. Arya, you have done a fabulous job answering so many questions quickly. First one to answer and even correctly. It's not that you gave incorrect answer. I think only one or two get you answers you gave incorrectly, but the rest you gave them all correctly. So keep up the good job, Arya. Very good. Congratulations. I'm really impressed with you. Keep up the good job. Okay, so yes, Kankar Bagh, Sri Harini, and uh, Arohi also gave the correct answer. So wonderful. Put in that effort and yes, keep giving correct answers as well. So it is great to see the way you all are participating. And finally, we come to the last question of today's session, which is my Sunday bonus question, which is going to be a little tricky, but yes, easy as well. Okay. So Gautam wakes up at 6:15 a.m. and takes 45 minutes to get dressed, 12 minutes to eat breakfast, 20 minutes to reach school. So what time does he reach the school? Let's see who gets the answer to this. And whoever gives the correct answer to this first, that's going to be the student of today's day. Oh my God, once again, Arya gives the answer first. Then coming from Kankar Bagh and Arohi. Okay, so all of you all have given the option B as the answer. So let me tell you, option B is unfortunately, yes, it is fortunately the correct answer. Very good, Arya. Oh my God. This was the last question for today, and that also you cracked it quickly and correctly. So good job. Very good job, Arya. But how do we get this? So start counting from 6:15 a.m. You take 45 minutes. 6:15 plus 45 minutes. Okay, he takes to get dressed. So that means by 7 o'clock, he gets dressed, 7 a.m. Then he takes 12 minutes. Then he takes 12 minutes to eat his breakfast. So that means by 7:12 a.m., he finishes his breakfast. Plus, he takes 20 minutes to reach school. So 7:12 plus 20 gives me 32. 7:32 a.m. finally he reaches school. So yes, Arya, you gave the correct answer first, and I am very much impressed with you. Hats off, Arya, for being such an amazing student, enthusiastic student, along with the others, of course. My other children, Harini, Arohi, everybody has also done a wonderful job. The way they have answered and attempted the questions. So keep up the good job. Yes, this was the final question for today, and it's time to say goodbye. You all did a great job. Keep participating enthusiastically like this in every session that we have every Sunday so that you will also get to learn and practice with these quizzes and these questions in a fun way. So it's time to say goodbye. See you again next week. Until then, adios. Bye bye.